Welcome to 3 Excel Power Tips for customizing Excel. I'm TrainerLori. This quick session covers selecting multiple cells, Go To, and naming ranges. If you want to select multiple cells, you can either use Control to select those that are not touching or contiguous, or you can use Shift, click on the first one and click on the last one, and it will select all the cells that are contiguous or touching. But what if you want to be able to go to specific cells? For example, all the cells that have text in it, but not formula. There's something called Go To, and my favorite way to get there is Control G. But within Go To is Special, and under Special you'll see one of the options there is Constants. That means that any cell that does not have a formula in it will be selected. And so that's a good way to select a lot of cells at one time. You have some other options in there as well. But what if I want all those cells that I selected using the control, and I want to be able to select those all the time? Then you simply name that range. Whenever you've selected cells, it's considered a range, whether they're contiguous or touching or not. You just go up to the name box and type in the name. And when you do that, you can find it again simply by clicking the drop down next to the name box. And there's Special, and it will go just to those cells that you selected. Remember Go To, our Control G option, you have that option as well. You can see Special now appears in there, and when I click Special, I will go just to those cells that I've already selected. Now here's some naming convention that you must know when you're naming a range, because you are writing code when you name a range. So the first character must be a letter. The second letters and consecutive letters can be letters, numbers, or underscores, but you cannot have spaces, exclamation points, stars, or slashes, because those all need something else in code.